Off-Leash Canine Training Grand Rapids, and today I have with me Murdoch. Murdoch is a 1-year-old German Shepherd, and he comes to me for a lot of fear reactivity, a lot of fear aggression. Anytime the owners have anyone over at their house, he loses his mind, he barks like crazy, he kind of goes insane a little bit, he lunges at people, he does not like pretty much anyone except the core family anywhere near him. When I met him, he was pretty crazy, he was lunging, he was barking. He is with me for 3 weeks to work on this fear that he has, to better socialize him, to get a better bond going with his owners, and so that way he can go places and the owners don't have to worry about him lunging and trying to bite somebody. So stay tuned to see his progress in 3 weeks. Right after break. Oh, good boy.
more information, you can head to our website at dogtrainergrandrapids.com, or you can text and call us at 616-384-5030. We can't wait to meet you and your dog.